Hari yang nomor pura dah berapa balas video.
Balik ko yun. Palagyan ng mga isa.
हिंदू समाज जिंदाबाद हिंदू समाज जिंदाबाद
हम बांग्लादेशे टोलाया ढुकते बांग्लादेशे टोला ढुकते एक्सपोर्टे जामुনি আমরা
ইউনিসের চামড়া ইউনিসের চামড়া চামড়া মৌলবাদের চামড়া মৌলবাদের চামড়া কট্টরবাদের চামড়া মৌলবাদের চামড়া ইউনিসের চামড়া ইউনিসের কট্টরবাদীদের চামড়া মৌলবাদের চামড়া কট্টরবাদের চামড়া একটু ঘুরো
See, what is happening in Bangladesh is now known to everybody. As an Indian citizen, all are concerned. So, what we have done today is a demonstration against the atrocities on the Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh, and also for defaming and insulting the Indian flag in Bangladesh. So, we have submitted a memorandum to the Bangladesh High Commission stating all those demands that they should stop immediately all the atrocities and persecution of Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh. They should ensure security of all minorities there. And also we have asked that they should take effective steps to punish those culprits who have indulged in this vandalism, rape, looting, arson, etc. in Bangladesh.
Some unruly thing which was not expected happened. What is your view on that?
What unruly?
Today, what happened?
No, what unruly happened we have not seen, and if it has happened I don't know. But inside it was so peaceful. We are discussing all the demands with the High Commission people. They said they agree to that and they will send the memorandum to government of Bangladesh. What was happening outside I am not aware.
Sir, today, what is the designation and which committee?
Hindu Sangharsh Samiti. I am an organizer, I am an executive member of this Hindu Sangharsh Samiti. On behalf of Hindu Sangharsh Samiti only we have organized this sit-in demonstration.